In this video, I'm going to show you how to change video background in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to add on your video. So I have one over here already, which I uploaded some stock footage. I'm simply going to open up this video like that. There we go. And as you can see, by default, of course, my video has background. Now what I'm going to do is remove it by clicking on it. You want to go to Edit up top, and then under Edit, you can click on Remove Background over here. It's going to start processing, and then it's going to remove your background. Now usually this is actually quite good and also quite quick. Of course, it's going to depend on the length of your video. My video here is not that long. I think it's just about 16 or something seconds, or 15 and a half. There we go. And it's going to do it quite quickly, and then of course the background is removed. Now while you're waiting for this, you want to select the background you actually want to use instead of this default one which we are removing. This could be your new video, so another video. It could be an image, it could be a stock video you can get in here. There's a bunch of things you could do here, but for me, I'm actually going to show you a few examples. So there we go. As you can see, it actually did remove this. If I mute it, you can see, okay, that's actually quite good. The background is clearly removed. Now we're going to first add something on here like an image. Now to do this, you want to go to over here, of course, add content, media, and you can go and add your images. I actually have some uploaded ones over here, so I'm actually just going to use my uploaded images inside uploads over here. And let's say I want to put this as a background over this. I'm going to simply click on here. I'm going to click on set background, and there we go. We've set the background for a video just like this, and it's a still image. Okay, that's the first way to do it. That's of course one way, but then of course if you want to add like a video background, you can do that as well, but you're going to have like a video or something you want to add over here. So if I go ahead and actually search up like a video here so I can show you how this actually works, I'm going to just use like one of my tutorial videos, for example, over here, but you will get the point. So I have one video I just recorded. I'm going to drag and drop it in here. There we go. And you can, of course, go and use that kind of as a background as well if you want to, okay? So that's, of course, completely up to you as well. You can just upload these things and use them as new ones, okay? But then you could also add something else in the background. You could go and use like this generative AI over here. If I click on here, I can add and generate images, stuff like that. I could also go and add elements in the back. Just make sure whenever you're putting new elements on here that of course your foreground, so the video that you have in the foreground, is actually up at the very top, because otherwise of course you're not going to be able to see it. So just like this, as you can see, I've put these things in the background and they're now basically serving as the background over here. And if I go to my uploads over here again, I can go and add whatever I want on here. For example, this video, I'm going to put it at the bottom and it's going to play at the back, of course, with a new background, just like that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.